Hi, I'm Madonna Guy, and I've been a naturopath and kinesiologist for nearly 29 years, and I've been using the ASEA products for nearly a couple of years. So it's been a really interesting journey, and one of the things that I started seeing was lumps and bumps and things that shouldn't be growing in the body, and seeing some improvement with those. And obviously, we don't say that redox signaling molecules cure anything, but because every cell that they touch, every cell that they communicate with is allowing those cells to detox, renew, and regenerate, it means potentially, if we can get enough of the redox signaling molecules anywhere, we can really change people's lives for the better. And you never know what you are affecting positively before someone actually ends up with a disease. But once we get things that are out of balancing, obviously the communication between cells isn't working as well as it should. I want to talk for a sec about the size of the molecules when it comes to lumps and bumps and things growing in the body that shouldn't be there. So when you're talking nanotechnology, you're talking 1 billion per meter. That's the size of a nanoparticle, 1 billion per meter. The redox signaling molecules are 100 times smaller than that. So there's no mechanism that they need to get through lumps and bumps and things growing in your body. There's no mechanism to get into the inside of the cell. There's no lock and key on the outside. You don't need an enzyme to allow the redox molecule into any organ, any cell, any vein, any capillary, any across the blood-brain barrier. There's nowhere these redox molecules can't get to. So that's why, anywhere locally you want to work. So if you've got issues with, say, your liver or your pancreas or your kidneys, doing that 3 applications in 5 minutes, morning and night, you're going to start changing the ability of that organ or those cells to start repairing, renewing, and regenerating. And by taking it internally, you're changing the way that the cells communicate. So when you swish it around in your mouth, you're actually waking up the genes. You're waking up the genes in your body when you're telling these redox molecules. There's all these receptors on the inside of your mouth. So you're waking up the molecules in relation to be able to even know where to go in the body. It's so exciting. Great technology. Anyway, have a great day.